Hello student, welcome to SSM Artful Polytechnic Jas Rambandanagar in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am Sheikh FS. In previous lecture, we have to start the unit, the first unit, Engineering Metrology is Introduction to Metrology. Now, let us start the first unit, Introduction to Metrology in the subject of engineering metrology. Now, in previous lecture, we have to discuss the first unit introduction to metrology, and the topic is metrology and objectives of metrology. First, the revision of previous lecture and let us start. The next is categories of metrology. Now, in previous lecture, the first point is metrology. Metrology needs the measurement and used to appreciate an equipment to obtain degree of accuracy. Metrology is also related with method to measure the any dimension with the help of instrument. Next is the metrology is the science of measurement and is used to measure the measuring standards, measuring techniques, etc. Next is objectives of metrology. The first is it can be used for selection of proper measuring instrument. Next, it can be used for deciding the proper measuring standards. Next, it can be used to minimize the cost of inspection. Next, for determining the capability to find out tolerance and more of. This is discussed in previous lecture. In this lecture, we have to start the categories of metrology. In the categories of metrology, first categories of metrology is legal metrology. Second categories of metrology is scientific metrology. Next metrology is deterministic metrology. And the fourth number or last metrology, categories of metrology is industrial metrology. Now let us start one by one. First is legal metrology. In a legal metrology is that part of metrology which relates unit of measurement, method of measurement, and instrument to the technical and legal needs. Legal metrology is directed by organizations like National Service of Legal Metrology. National Service of Legal Metrology, which solve the problem of legal metrology. National Service of Metrology solve the legal problem. They also ensure the guarantee of their accuracy by comparison with international standards. The legal metrology also the play very important role in the maintaining uniformity of measurement throughout the world with the help of international organization of weight and measure and National Service of Legal Metrology, that is NSLM, National Service of Legal Metrology. The legal metrology is related with method of measurement units used for measurement instrument with their legal requirement, and it is application. First, commercial transaction related with neat quality. Second application of legal metrology industrial measurement, accuracy, interchangeability. Next is measurement of health, and last is measurement for human safety. This is legal methodology. Now, next methodology, categories of methodology is scientific methodology. In a scientific methodology, refer development of a new measuring technology and scientific methods. Scientific methodology relates to the measurement done to validate the theories of nature and enhance basic knowledge about science and nature. The scientific methodology is refer development of new measuring technique and scientific method. It is very important. It is totally depend on scientific methods and measuring technology. Next, third number methodology is deterministic methodology. In deterministic methodology is that in which part measurement is replaced by process measurement. Okay, this is methodology is replace part measurement by process measurement. This will be useful for machine under automatic control because these are totally deterministic in process. Deterministic methodology is very important in automobile control system because these are totally deterministic in performance. In this system of process is monitored and controlled by automatic sensor of various parameters. This technology is used for very high precision manufacturing machines and control system to obtain accuracy in terms of nanotechnology. Deterministic methodology is used very important or it is very high precision measure manufacturing machines and control system. And the last methodology, categories of methodology is industrial methodology. In industrial methodology is the industrial related development of inspection for specific industrial needs. Industrial methodology is totally depend on industry related manufacturing processes. These are four types of categories of methodology. First is legal methodology, second is scientific methodology, third is deterministic methodology, and last is industrial methodology. Now, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe this channel. Okay, I will explain next topic in next video, that is inspection and its need.